I have a way to abide by the Pycon APAC code of conduct. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Python APAC 2024 purpose session. Host here at Nahdlatul Ulama University, Yogyakarta. My name is Amira, and I will be your moderator for this session. Our speaker for today is Mr. Takanori Suzuki, who will be presenting how to learn Japanese with Python. Without further ado, I would like to invite Mr. Takanori Suzuki to take the stage. The time and place are yours. Thank you.
Thank you. Can I use mic? I can use. No? Okay. Hi. Hello. Sorry. Wait a moment, please. どこだ Fix. OK. よいしょ。OK。ケーブルが絡まってる。OK。はい。Thank you for coming to my talk. I'm Takanori Suzuki. I'm from Japan. And my talk title is How to Learn Japanese with Python. Terima kasih. Semuanya sudah datang. Namaku Takanori Suzuki. Nice to meet you. Yeah. The agenda for this talk is as follows. I will talk about background motivation for this talk. And next, I will talk about I will introduce some of difficult points of Japanese. And the last session, I will explain how Python supports Japanese learning to you. Okay? With Python code examples. Not see. Sorry. Wait a moment. Please check. Excuse me. Okay. And I say the background and the motivation. We check here and here. Sorry. Okay. Yes. Coming. Okay. I talk about background and motivation of this talk, and I'm developing web-based text book for junior high school students at work in Japan. And I'm using Japanese natural language processing libraries to make the text book easier to learn to students. Based on this experience at work, I thought Python library and APIs could help people learn Japanese for foreigners. And this is a FSI language difficulty reports. This report said Japanese is super hard languages for English speakers to learn. Super hard. Others are Mandarin and Cantonese, Korean, and Arabic. This is five languages is super hard. And yesterday, Anthony Shaw said, if you are an English speaker, learn a new language in the keynote. Do you remember? Yeah. I hope my talk will help Pythonistas who want to learn Japanese. Please try. The goal of this talk, you know what is a difficult point about Japanese language. And you know how to use Japanese natural language processing libraries and APIs, how to use. And at last, you understand Python and Python libraries and the APIs could support learning Japanese to Pythonistas. Thought and sharing is welcome. Please take me and take slides. And my slide is already published. If you want to see my slides and the code, please access slides.takanori.net and click here, slides, or check this QR code. I'm waiting. Thank you. This slides some example code after last session. Okay. Before the main topic, I will introduce myself. I'm Takanori Suzuki. My Twitter X is Takanori. Please follow me. I'm a chairperson of Pycon JP Association, and I'm a director of Beaver Inc. And my title is Python Planner. Oh, why? Why? I don't touch anything. And I'm also active in several Python activities, Python communities, and bouldering and developing and something. And Pycon JP, I'm a chair of Pycon JP Association. Pycon JP Association is a non-profit organization for Python users in Japan. We hold Pycon JP every year. Do you know Pycon JP? No. Do you know? Thank you. All right. Pycon JP 2025, 2024 is finished one month ago. Pycon JP 2025 will be held in Hiroshima at the end of September, next September. This is the first Pycon JP to be held outside of Tokyo. Do you know Hiroshima? Oh, yes. Oh, Hiroshima is a very famous place. Okay. Hiroshima is located here, this point, and west of Tokyo and Kyoto. Like Fukushima, Hiroshima, Kyoto, Tokyo, and Hokkaido. Okay? And Hiroshima has several direct flights from overseas, but sorry, no direct flights from Indonesia. Sorry. Oh, but I came here, Yogyakarta, no direct flights from Tokyo. You should be able to go to home, Hiroshima. Okay? Okay, I have questions. First, have you learned Japanese before or now? Oh, 10 or 20, thank you. Are you interested in Japanese language? Half or almost. Okay. Not. So if I think this line or something is wrong. If you come, but this chair and this chair is open. Please move. Okay. And last question. Would you like to visit Japan? Yes. Yes. Oh, I have good idea. There is a very good opportunity for you. Pycon JP 2025 will be held in Hiroshima, Japan, and next September. Please check your schedule. End of September. See you again at Pycon JP 2025. Okay? Promise? Okay. This is main topic. I will show you 3 difficult points to the Japanese language. Sorry. First is 3 types of characters, and no spaces between words, and multiple readings of kanji. This is 3 difficult points, I think. This is 3 types of character. Japanese language has 3 types of characters: hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Oh, sorry. Hiragana and katakana and kanji. Hiragana, katakana, kanji. Also, I missed the also. Okay. And The table shows 3 different characters for each snake. Left side is the snake is heavy in Japanese, and bear is in Japanese bear. It's the same hiragana types and katakana types and kanji types. Oh, difficult. Next. Wait a moment, please. なんだこれ? Can't move my slide. Sorry. Wait a moment. My Mac is frozen, maybe. Oh, why? Komatta. I restart my Mac. I disconnected now HDMI because my Mac is freezed. I restarted. Wait a moment, please. Sorry. バッテリーじゃねえよな。Now rebooting. Wait a moment, please. So, I reboot my Mac and launch the applications and okay, Firefox is ready. And wait. And I connect HDMI now. Now my Mac is freezed, and now rebooted it. I check OK. So thank you. Wait a moment. I'll make stream learning as can't find my iPad. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next difficult point is no spaces between words. This is a correct sentence in Japanese. Sumomomomomomomo no uchi. Same character, so many same characters, but correct sentence, but play of words. But usually Japanese can read and can separate it into words, this sentence into words. Okay, this is the answer. Next, multiple readings of kanji character. This kanji character is, for example, this kanji character means day and sun, nichi. But most kanji character had 2 styles of readings: Japanese style readings and Chinese style readings, onyomi and kunyomi. Kunyomi and onyomi. And for example, this kanji character have 2 types of reading, each 2 styles. Japanese style reading is nichi and hi, and the Chinese style reading is jitsu and ka. Also difficult. And how to read these idioms? First word is a Sunday, and the second word is a previous day. Then, and first word read nichi yobi is a Japanese style reading, but second word is a zenjitsu, Chinese style readings. There is no rule. No rule. Oh, Japanese is difficult. I know. I think almost Japanese people is a genius. They understand the kanji characters. Okay. I think that Python library supports Japanese learning. Before the Python code, I will introduce about Ruby tag. What is Ruby? Ruby character is a small annotation for text and usually placed above the text. For please check the Wikipedia. Ruby is not a programming language Ruby. I said about the Ruby characters. This is a Ruby tag, HTML tag. Do you know Ruby HTML tag? No? Maybe no. Ruby tag is represents small annotation and RT tag represents and specifies the Ruby text. This above text is a RT tag. For example, I write this style. In the browser, display the Pycon is annotated Python conference, and APAC is Asia Pacific. Okay, and I use in this slide Ruby tag used to the indicated pronunciation and readings. This katakana and hiragana character means the Pycon APAC. Pycon APAC. The Pycon APAC. You can read, maybe, okay. And if you can read hiragana character, I annotated the hiragana annotation is we say this is a furigana, and Indonesia Kyowakoku. This is a Republic of Indonesia, and if you can read hiragana, Indonesia Kyowakoku, you can read katakana, the kanji character with hiragana. Okay. I think you understand Ruby tag. Okay, annotated text. Okay, I will make a solution by the Python. First is a hiragana and katakana problem. Hiragana and katakana characters are phonogram. One character represented phoneme, one speech sound, like a Japanese alphabet. And this one is hiragana character, akasatana, and the same sound, katakana character is akasatana. Two types of phonogram characters in Japan. Why? I don't know. But we will basically use hiragana character. But katakana character used for foreign words. In this example, Indonesia in hiragana, but usually use katakana, Indonesia too. Indonesia use right by katakana character. Okay, and I will how to read hiragana and katakana is a Romaji is a support for you, and Romaji is a romanization of Japanese characters. And alphabet to represent Japanese. For example, this kanji is a save, a public transportation sign, save line, save this kanji character reading in alphabetically, Romaji, save. Okay, we learn hiragana and katakana using Romaji characters. I use JAComb library. JAComb is an interconverter for hiragana and katakana and alphabet and each converting. People install JAComb and import JAComb, and JAComb kana to alphabet is a hiragana to alphabet, Romaji style. And kata to alphabet is a function as katakana to alphabet converting. Oh, useful for alphabet foreigners. Okay, I made a kana to Roman script. First, import JAComb and make a kana to Romaji function. Kana to Romaji function accept the kana, hiragana, and katakana string and convert to first one is a katakana to hiragana, and second one is a hiragana to alphabet, Romaji style. And the kana with Romaji Rumi function make Romaji style text alphabetically and at last make a Ruby text. Base text with Romaji annotation. I run the Python kana to roman.py and some text. As a result, we get hiragana katakana text with Romaji, Pycon APAC. Maybe you can read. Okay, we can read hiragana and katakana with Romaji character. Yes! Okay, next problem. No space between words. Japanese text has no space between words. And use Japanese dictionary to recognize words. Which one is one word with a dictionary? Okay, and we use Japanese morphological analyzer library required for word segmentation. Japanese morphological analyzers is so many libraries. Please try. In this slide, I use SudachPy and SudachDicto. You can install, pip install SudachPy and Sudach_dicto. And SudachPy is made with Rust and with Python wrapper. Then this based on the Rust, very fast, I think. And SudachDicto has 3 types of dictionaries: small size and core, middle, and huge size. And default dictionary is core. I use core in this slide. Okay, I make word segmentation. First, import dictionary from SudachPy and make a tokenizer from dictionary. And make a tokenize. Tokenize means split the word. Tokenizer.tokenize text. Then, as a result, this is a split the words. Sumomo, mo, momo, mo, momo, no, uchi. Is correct? Correct. It's correct. Okay. I make the word segmentation.py script. First, make a tokenizer, and next word segmentation function. The tokenizer.tokenize separated the several tokens within the text. Okay, and first append on the Ruby tag, Ruby annotation, Romaji Ruby for you can read. As a result, I run the Python word segmentation.py perfect. You can read and you can word segmentation. Yes. Next. Okay. Multiple readings of kanji characters. But I told you before, most kanji characters have 2 types of readings: Japanese style and Chinese style. But Nichiyobi and Zenjitsu, I said, oh, difficult. I think so. But difficult point is the multiple readings of kanji idioms. This kanji idiom is a one-day kanji character. That means the first day, 1 day. But same combination, but different readings of this has this kanji idioms. First word is ichi me, but second word is ichi ga tsuitachi. Same combination, kanji idiom, but different readings. Oh my. But not more difficult point is the special readings of kanji idioms. This kanji idioms meanings today and yesterday and tomorrow. Kanji meaning is a now day, past day, and next day. Oh, easy. But reading is a kyo, kino, ashita. No rule. There is no rule. But almost Japanese use this kanji idioms can read kyo, kino, ashita. Wow. Okay, we can get readings for kanji characters with Python and NLP libraries. I use StagePy and StageBit, and token has every token has reading form method. Reading form method return to the reading in how to read the kanji or text in katakana characters. I make a dictionary tokenizer, and a tokenize is the same, and I get the token information and the token to the reading form information. Then, if you read katakana character, you can read this text. 今日は1月1日で日曜日。You can't read katakana character, I know. If you read hiragana character, you use JA-comb. You remember JA-comb library? I use a JA-comb, katakana to hiragana and katakana to alphabet. Then I get the base text and katakana reading and hiragana reading and romaji reading. If you see the 今日は1月1日で日曜日, maybe you can read with romaji characters. Okay. あれなんだこれ Okay, I make the kanji readings.py file and make a dictionary and get a hiragana Ruby text. And this is a Ruby text, annotated kanji character with hiragana Ruby. If you read hiragana character, you can read. And if you want a romaji, you can convert the hiragana to romaji character. 今日は1月1日で日曜日. You can read with annotated text. Oh, we can read kanji character. Yay! Last part. But we can read, but cannot pronounce. Why? Reading and pronunciation is slightly different. For example, reading is a O style, but sound is pronounced as O. For example, tou kyou or tou kyou, but pronunciation is a Tokyo straight. Eigo is English in Japanese. English, eigo, but pronunciation is eigo, straight. Oh, difficult. Okay, I use the Poly library as a text-to-speech library provided by the Amazon, and people install Boto 3 and set some environment variables and make Boto library, Boto client, and call the API with synthesized speech and get the result saved to the MP3 file. You can get the sound. Okay. You can pronounce Japanese. You can try practice. Oh, I see, Tokyo Eigo. Yeah. Sorry, I made the sample application with Streamlit, and if I have the time to try, but this time is no time. Please check and get this Streamlit application. Please check them. Summary of this talk. Sorry. Please check. Run JP with Python. Yeah. Okay. Summary of this talk. Japanese is difficult. I know. 3 types of characters, no spaces between words, and kanji readings, multiple kanji readings, and special readings. Yeah. And I think Python supports Japanese. If you learn Japanese, Python supports you learning Jacob is an intercombator, and Sudachi and Sudachi is a morphological analyzer, and Amazon Poly and Boto 3 is text to speech. Okay, you can learn Japanese with Python. Please, please try your learning. And in next year's Pycon JP, you taught me in Japanese. Okay? Thank you. Terima kasih. Yeah, I'm okay for the Q&A session. Yeah, but the time is yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Can Sudachi help us to read kanji for people's names? Because I think kanji for people's names and objects are quite different. Because people's names borrow some syllables from objects and various things in kanji, right?
Hi. You ask about the kanji shape? Oh,
yeah. The Sudachi pi that you use for reading kanji.
Yes.
Japanese people's name.
Name?
Yeah.
Person. Well, person's name?
Yeah,
Okay, I see. Sudachi pi and Sudachi Dicto have so many Japanese person's name in dictionary. But if you wanna some なんて言えばいいんだろうなfamous person's name, Sudachi Dicto full is more mispronounce the Japanese person's name in the dictionary. Please try the Sudachi pi with the Sudachi Dicto full size. Please try it. Yeah.
Maybe enough one question because time is over. Thank you so much for Mr. Takanori Suzuki for such an informative presentation. Now, and a big thanks for everyone. Have a great day and please enjoy the next session and give applause for Mr. Takanori Suzuki.
Thank you for coming.